Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Well, New Year vibes is all around, and keeping that in mind, today I bring before you all a delicious and mouth-watering party starter recipe, and it's peri peri chicken skewers with a fiery and aromatic homemade peri peri sauce that's going to blow your mind. And friends, this peri peri chicken skewers turns out so very juicy and flavorful that you and your family and guests are surely going to love it. So let's begin with this amazingly delicious chicken starter recipe. So for this recipe, I'll be using boneless chicken thighs as they tend to be more soft, and when cooked they turn out very juicy with all those lovely flavors. And now we need to cut them into medium portions like this. Now the next step is to prepare the homemade peri peri sauce. For that, I have taken a medium-sized bell pepper and roasted it till it slightly gets charred, so that you get a smoky flavor in the peri peri sauce. And now we need to transfer this into a mixer jar. Then these are bird's eye chilies dipped in vinegar water, so they are medium spicy now. I'm adding around 12 bird's eye chilies here. Next goes 4 large garlic pods, 1 small onion cut into medium portions, a handful of cilantro along with the soft stems, as the real flavors are in the stems. For seasoning, we will add some salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then this is smoked paprika, which will give a spicy as well as smoky flavor to our peri peri sauce. A teaspoon of mixed herbs, the juice of half a lime, and finally 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And now we need to blend this into a very smooth paste. Let's check this now. And the sauce is smelling so good right now. We'll transfer this sauce into a bowl. And our spicy and flavorful homemade peri peri sauce is ready. And now we need to marinate the boneless chicken pieces with this peri peri sauce. And now to the chicken pieces, I will add a little bit of salt. But remember, we had added salt in the peri peri sauce as well. And now we need to coat the chicken pieces with the peri peri sauce till they are well combined. And we will let them rest for at least an hour. And now time to arrange the marinated chicken pieces in skewers. I am using a stainless skewer, but you can use the wooden ones also. And you can arrange 5 to 6 pieces in one skewer, leaving no gap in between. And in the same way, I will arrange the remaining skewers also. And our peri peri chicken skewers are now ready to be grilled. But if you want, you can roast them in an oven or in an air fryer also. And I'm going to grill my peri peri chicken skewers in my grill pan. For that, I will grease the grill pan with some olive oil. And when the pan is hot enough, we will place the chicken skewers one by one, leaving some gap in between. And you can hear that lovely sizzling sound. So first we will cook the chicken pieces on high flame for 2 minutes, and then we will reduce the flame to medium. And after about 2 minutes, we will flip the chicken skewers. And now we will reduce the flame to medium and let them cook properly from both the sides. In between, we'll brush the chicken pieces with some olive oil so that they remain moist and juicy while getting grilled. After about 2 minutes, we will flip the skewers one more time and let them grill on low to medium flame for another 1 to 2 minutes, or until they are grilled well from both the sides and cooked through. And by now, our peri peri chicken skewers are grilled well from both the sides. So I will take them off and arrange them in a serving plate. And our delicious, fiery and flavorful peri peri chicken skewers are now ready to be enjoyed hot with some homemade peri peri sauce, which will further add a kick to our taste buds. So friends, I hope you will try these amazingly delicious peri peri chicken skewers. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and you can check out my other interesting recipes. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and wishing everyone a very happy and blessed new year.